Hi everybody and welcome back to Visit Fylde Coast. I've just had to come out and video this. I've just looked up and look at this sky. I've never seen a sky like that. There are thick black clouds rolling across the sea. That was a swallow. Let me just turn slightly sideways so you can see it better. It's really sort of muggy. I don't know whether you're getting the full effect of it properly. Let me see if I can just zoom out a little bit. Goodness me, it's like a proper thick black cloud. And it's blowing quite quickly, and it's all the way across the seafront. Everywhere that you can see. The sea underneath it is just all really clear looking. That is going to absolutely tip it down any minute now. When that comes over, I wonder if we'll get some lightning. That'd be good. We like lightning. They are black clouds. As you can see, there's nobody else. Oh, there's a bloke down there on the beach. Goodness me, I think I'd be getting off there. Can you see him? It's just a tiny little speck. Pretty much centre screen. I won't be standing down there in that. I reckon it's going to rain. And over that direction, blowing up from Blackpool way, it is absolutely black. That's amazing. Wowzer. We're doing well for short videos today, aren't we? We've got reasonable weather this morning, and then it turns into skies of doom. If you've not done already, make sure that you've subscribed to Visit Fylde Coast. Next time we've got skies of doom, you might get to see the videos. The little birds that are darting about are either swallows or swifts or sand martins or something. Not sure which. See you later. Bye for now.